Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the fingerprint section, and here you have to tap add fingerprint. Then you have to select the backup unlock method. It could be pattern, could be pin code, or complex password. Let's select the digit password. Then you have to enter your password, confirm it here, and what you have to do next is to tap fingerprint sensor here for it to record your fingerprint, and that's it. Fingerprint added. And now you can select here what you want to do with your fingerprint on your device. You can unlock your phone, you can wake up from black screen, and you can also lock your apps with the fingerprint here if you want. Let's try to unlock our phone with fingerprint. And that's it. That's how it works. So, thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.